Hello everyone, welcoming you all on today's online session for Standard 12 Statistics Chapter number 2, Linear Coordination. Till now we have solved up to section C and section D. We did it on board, whatever sums were there, we have solved it. Even I have given you for practice some type of short sums which you have already done. Thanks a lot for that. So now carrying forward to section E. Okay. Section E, question number 1. The following information is obtained to study the relation between the selling price of nose mask and its demand during an epidemic. So price is given, we'll take it as X, demand as Y. Find the correlation coefficient between the price and demand of mask by Karl-Pearson's method. Okay. So price as X and demand as Y. 38, 45, 40, 42 and 35. Then 103, 92, 97, 98 and 100. Okay. First of all, let me add the number 30, 70, 110, 150, 180. 185, 187, 192, 200. 100, 190, 280, 280, 370, 470, 475, 475, 482, 490. Okay, my way of addition is a little bit different. आप लोग पीछे वाला नंबर पहले ऐड करते हैं, मैं पहले आगे वाला नंबर ऐड करता हूँ. So I can see the x bar is equal to sigma xi upon n. So 200 upon 5 तो x bar का आंसर तो मेरा exact number आया. Even y bar equal to sigma yi upon n. So 490 upon 5 y bar का भी number मेरा exact आया. ठीक है. जब मेरे x bar और y bar जब मेरे exact आ जाते हैं, I'll go for x minus x bar, y minus y bar. ट्राई करते हैं वापस से ये वाली फॉर्मूला. So 38 minus 40 is minus 2, 45 minus 40 is 5, 40 minus 40 is 0, 42 minus 40 is 2, 35 minus 40 is minus 5. The answer will be always 0. 103 minus 98 is 5, 92 minus 98 is minus 6, 97 minus 98 is 1, 98 minus 98 is 0, 100 minus 98 is 2. Again the answer will be 0. You can check minus 7 plus 7. You can check minus 2 plus 2 minus 5 plus 5. Okay. Then multiplying x minus x bar, y minus y bar. 5 2s are 10, 6 5s are 30, 1 0s are 0, 2 0 0, 5 2s are 10. 10, 40, 50, it is minus 50. Square x minus x bar whole square. 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25, 0 square is 0, 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25. Total is 58. Sir, इतना fast कैसे? 25 plus 9, 29. 25 plus 4, 29. 29 का double, that is 58. Y minus y bar square. आपका भी दिमाग इसी स्पीड से चलना चाहिए. तो बोर्ड के एग्जाम्स आपके 2 hours and 20 minutes में कंप्यूटर पेपर आपका हो जाएगा. Okay, that is 25, 36, 104. Total 36, 40, 41, 41, 51, 61, 66. 66. Okay. Now, applying the formula. Okay. I have written the formula over here. This formula we are going to apply. Okay. R equal to sigma x minus x bar, y minus y bar whole upon under root sigma x minus x bar whole square multiplied by sigma y minus y bar whole square is equal to x minus x bar y minus y bar sigma, that is minus 50 whole upon 58 multiplied by root 66 equal to minus 50 upon 58 into 66, 58 into 66. 328, 3828 under root 3828 उसका रूट कर लेते हैं. So minus 50 upon 61.87, 50 divided by 61.87 minus 0.808 means 81. There exists a partial negative correlation between two variables. Okay, I hope so. It's very much clear. आपको मैंने पहले ही बताया था कौन सी फॉर्मूला कब कैसे अप्लाई यहाँ पे करनी है. ओके, एक्स बार वाई बार पहले फाइंड करके आप चेक कर लो. अगर एक्स बार वाई बार का आंसर एग्जैक्ट नंबर आता है देन गो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट मूवमेंट मेथड. एक्स एंड वाई वैल्यू से ऑलरेडी गिवन टू यू. पहले हमने उसका प्लस किया, वी गॉट सिग्मा एक्स, देन वी फाइंड एक्स बार वाई बार, एग्जैक्ट नंबर आया. देन वी हैव फाउंड दिस टेबल एक्स माइनस एक्स बार. हर एक्स के नंबर में से मैंने एक्स बार के आंसर को माइनस किया, हर वाई के नंबर से मैंने वाई बार के नंबर को माइनस किया. देन इन दोनों नंबर को मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया, आई गॉट एक्स माइनस एक्स बार मल्टीप्लाई वाई माइनस वाई बार. इट इज कॉल्ड एज द सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ डिविएशन. टोटल इज माइनस 50. Minus 50 is called as sum of the product of deviations from mean x bar and y bar. Then I have found out x minus x bar whole square. Okay, ये था x minus x bar minus 2502 minus 5. उसका क्या हमने यहाँ पे स्क्वायर 425 425. Addition of it is 58. Then same way y minus y bar also किया 5 minus 6 minus 102 का स्क्वायर किया 25 36 104. Adding it up I got total of 66. Then applying to the formula R equal to sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon under root sigma x minus x bar whole square multiplied by root sigma y minus y bar whole square. Then putting the values into the formula minus 50 upon root 58 into root 66. दोनों रूट को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो आई गॉट द आंसर रूट 3828. उसका रूट निकाला minus 50 upon 61.87. The answer is R equal to minus 0.81. So there exists a partial negative correlation between the two variables. This line is very much compulsory, carries 0.5 marks. This whole table and this x bar y bar carries 2 marks. Okay, this formula carries 0.5. This working carries 2 marks with answer, and the last line carries 0.5 marks. Now coming to question number 2 of section E. Question number 2 of section E. In order to study the relationship between the abilities in the subjects of human resource management and personality development for the students of a postgraduate level course, a sample of 5 students is taken and the following information is obtained. So marks in HRM as X and marks in PD as Y. Okay. So X and Y. Number 2. X and Y. The value for X are 45, 25, 40, 20 and 45. The values for Y are 47, 23, 17, 35 and 48. Okay. Let me add the number. Let me find out कि ये वाली फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं कि नहीं कर सकते हैं. 40, 60, 100, 120, 160, 165, 170, 175. 175. Here 40, 60, 70, 100, 140, 150, 157, 160 to 170. So x bar equal to sigma xi upon n 175 upon 5. So x bar equal to 35 and y bar equal to sigma yi upon n equal to 170 upon 5. Y bar is equal to 34. As we can see exact number आ गए. तो अगेन हम अपनी वही फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. x minus x bar y minus y bar. सारे कॉलम के हेडिंग्स लिख लेता हूं. Okay, 45 minus 35, 10, 25 minus 35 minus 10, 40 minus 35, 5, 20 minus 35 minus 15, and 45 minus 35 that is 10. कहाँ था 0 आएगा चेक कर लेते हैं. minus 25 plus 25. y minus y bar 47 minus 34 is 13. 23 minus 34 is minus 11. 17 minus 34 is minus 17. 35 minus 34 is 1. 48 minus 34 is 14. चेक कर लेते हैं. 28 13 14 28 0 मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 10 into 13 is 130. 110 17 5 is 85. 15 1 is 15. 10 14 is 140. Adding this number 100 180 140 220 140 150 230 330 340 440 470 480. I got the total as 480. Some more sorry, your minus will come. Sorry, over here minus will come. Again we'll do the total. 100, 200, 240, 340, 380. 380 minus 100, that is 280. X minus x bar whole square. 100, 100, 25, 225 and 100. Adding this number 100, 300, 400, 500, 550. Adding this number we got a total of 550 and then squaring this number. 13 square is 169, 11 square is 121, 17 square is 289, 1 square is 1, 19 square, 14 square is 196. Adding this number 100, 200, 400, 500, 590, 670, 670, 690, 750, 760, 770, 776. Get a total of 776. Okay. Putting the values in the formula, sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar is 280. Is 280 whole upon under root sigma x minus x bar whole square means 550. Multiply by sigma y minus whole y bar whole square is 776 is equal to 280 divided by 550 multiply by 776 426800 under root 426800 इसका रूट 280 divided by 653.30 280 divided by MRC equal to 0.43. Our answer is 0.43. We got the answer for R. There exists a partial positive correlation. There exists a partial positive correlation. Okay. Sum is very much easier, as you can even notice that. Okay, it depends upon your x and y, x bar and y bar. If the answer for x bar and y bar are perfect numbers, then we should go for this formula itself. In this formula, हमें columns draw करने हैं x minus x bar, y minus y bar. First of all, we got to find x bar, then y bar. Subtracting each number of x with x bar, we get the answers. 45 minus 35 is 10. 25 minus 35 is minus 10. 40 minus 35 is 5. For 20 minus 35 is minus 15. And 45 minus 35 is 10. Same way, subtracting each number of y minus y bar, we got total 0 हो ही जाना चाहिए. Then x minus x bar, y minus y bar table we have found out. Then x minus x bar square किया, y minus y bar square किया. X minus x bar, y minus y bar total is called the product of the sum of deviations. Sum of product of deviation from mean of x bar and y bar. Total of sigma x minus x bar whole square is called as sum of the product of sum of the deviations from mean x bar, and y minus y bar square is called sum of the deviations from mean of y bar. Okay. Then putting the values into the formula, we got 280 upon under root 550 into 776. Total under root 550 into 776 gives us 280 upon root 42680. Then solving it out, we got the answer 0.43. As it is a positive number, range between 0 to 1, so here to write a statement over here, there exists a partial positive correlation between the two variables. Now, coming to question number 3 of section E. Let me read the question. A vendor wants to display lipsticks of different brands according to the popularity. For that, he invites two experts, Priyal and Nissi, to rank the lipstick of the different brands. Okay, means ranks are given. So ranks by Priyal, will take it as RX and RY. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 2, 4. 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 2, 4. And ranked by Nissi RY. 5, 7, 6, 2, 1, 4, 3. 6, 2, 1, 4, 3. That you will find the difference. RX minus RY. 5 minus 5, 0. Minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 1. We got to make the square of the difference. 0, 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1. Adding this number. 1, 2, 3, 7, 11, 12. Total we got 12. R equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 12 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 square minus 1. 1 minus 6, 12 is 72 upon 7 into 48. 7 square 49 minus 1 is 48. 48 into 7, 336. Okay. Gives a total of 336. 1 minus 72 upon 336 is equal to 1 minus 0.21 is equal to 0.79 R. Okay. Here we don't have to interpret that. Chalega. If you also want to do that, you can. There exists a partial. Let me do it then. There exists a partial positive correlation. Okay, I am giving you one sum, extra sum, make it fast. Come on, solve it. 6, 5, 3, 2, 4, 1. 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, 6. Come on. Solve it. I am giving you 3 minutes. Giving you 2 minutes for solving this particular sum. I have given with you Rx and Ry. Okay. Just you got to subtract Rx and Ry, find the difference, make the square of it, and then put it into the formula, and then find the answer. Very simple sum. Orally I can do it from here. D equal to 3, 4 minus 2. Check. You might have already solved. Difference equal to 3, 4 minus 2 minus 2, 2 minus 5. Square of it will be 3 square 9, 4 square 16. I will calculate for you people. 3 square 9, 4 square 16 plus 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4 plus 5 square 25. Sigma d square is 62. Okay, 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. 62 into 6, that is 372. Okay, तो ऊपर आया 372, नीचे 6 into 35 में किया, you got 210. Okay, so 372 divided by 210, you got the answer as 1.77. 1 minus 1.77, getting the answer minus 0.77. There exists a partial negative correlation between the two variables. Hope so. All the three sums along with this extra sum is very much clear with you people. Okay, I'll be attaching 2 or 3 more sums. Okay, let me dictate only 2-3 sums as an homework. Solve it then. Okay, write down the questions. From the following information, find Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient. Write the number for x: 23, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 33, 35, 36, 39. Write the number for y: 18, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 32. I want this sum to be solved by this formula itself. Okay? आपको पहले इसी फॉर्मूला से करना है, उसके बाद आप दूसरी मेथड से, दूसरी फॉर्मूला से भी करोगे. ये सब आप दोनों मेथड से करोगे, 2 फॉर्मूला से करोगे. एक तो मुझे ये चाहिए, सेकेंड आप XY से करो और UV से करो, कोई भी करो, that depends upon you. Write down next sum. Find Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient. Find Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient from the following information. Write down x: 120, 130, 150, 160, 180, 200, 210, 220, 240, 190. Then y: 1370, 1370, 1250, 1220, again 1220, 1200, 1150, 1160, 1150, 1100, 1180. I want this particular sum also to be solved by this formula first, then out of these two you can apply any of the formula. But I want this sum to be solved by this formula first of all, then by any of the 2 methods whichever you want to apply. Okay? So here I am. We are solved till section E, question number 1, 2 and 3. One extra sum I have given it to you, even I have explained you the extra sum. Okay, I have given you 2 more sums for homework. Even whatever sums we have solved earlier, kindly practice that sums again. Even with the illustrations, previously when I have taught you this chapter, I have given you the illustrations. I have explained you the illustrations. Go through that video, it is already available. Okay, on my channel, subscribe to the channel. Okay, thanks for the cooperation and support. Stay home, stay safe and keep learning like this. Thank you all once again. Have a nice day.